So, ito yung dinner. This is the dinner. Oh. That's it. Okay na. So, yung dinner namin ngayon. We have the bulalo over there. May salad kami. Mga fruits. So, kakain na kami.
Purified water.
Okay.
Magbulalo kayo, ha? Okay? Yes, rice and
Bulalo, okay. So, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I sit over there?
Yeah, sige. Basta kukuha muna kayo ng food. Sige, kuha muna kayo ng food ulit. So, yan. Kakain na yan.